We have the 2022 Volvo XC40. This vehicle was done just over 39,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, radio, Apple CarPlay, and our range. If we press here, we can access our climate control, which includes heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a leather black trim and get a good view of our panoramic roof.